Hi, good morning, one and all. Myself, Chalaptaraju Kanmuri, working in the Department of ECE in SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. Today, I am going to discuss about the basic electronic engineering subject. In this, we will mainly discuss about the type of the materials like insulators, semiconductors, and conductors, and their characteristics. Similarly, how the semiconductors can be designed as p-n junction diodes and their properties and the characteristics of them, and as well as how the diodes can be used as the rectifiers. And later on we will go about bipolar junction transistor, simply as transistor, and different kinds of biasing and stabilization techniques for the transistor, and how the transistors can be used as an amplifiers, and what are the kinds of field effect transistors, and different kinds of MOSFETs, kind of things. Today we will this is the overall view of the content. Main course objective of this basic electronic engineering is in order to give the exposure to the students on semiconductor physics of the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Similarly, to give the exposure to the students on the basics of semiconductor diodes and special purpose diodes and a kind of LEDs and tunnel diodes. Similarly, about the rectifier circuits, how they are using with the help of the diodes, and how the transistors can be constructed with the help of the diodes. And similarly, the in order to give the exposure to the students on the basics of BJT, JFET and MOSFET, and biasings of BJT and FET, and to give exposure to the students on the analysis of transistor at low and high frequencies. And these are the course objective for basic electronic engineering, and the course outcomes are, by the end of the course, they could able to give the, or else they could able to understand what are the physical structures and how the principle and operations of the electrical and electronic circuit characteristics, and how we could able to construct the transistor, and they could able to analyze and design the basic electronic application circuits, and to extend the understanding of how electronic circuits and their functions fit into larger electronic systems. All these are going to be the course outcomes of this particular subject, and thank you.